Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download threads from Instagram on PC or Mac OS. As of now, Instagram's Threads app is primarily designed for mobile devices and doesn't offer a native application for Windows or Mac OS. However, you can still access Threads on your PC or Mac. Here's how to do it. 1. Using a web browser. Instagram has introduced a web version of Threads, allowing you to access the platform directly from your browser. Here's how. Open your browser. Launch your preferred web browser, example, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Visit Threads web. Navigate to www.threads.net. Log in. Use your Instagram credentials to log in and access your Threads app. And that's everything you need to know about how to download Threads from Instagram on PC or Mac OS. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.